Our high-performance, sleek wrapper inverted, servo-driven horizontal flow wrapping machine is designed with reliability, simplicity, and serviceability. It is built for 24/7 environment and can produce up to 100 packages per minute with a maximum web width of 19.6 inches or 500 millimeters. The servo drive ensures precise positioning, smooth acceleration, and deceleration, ideal for soft or sticky products, multi-packs, and other products that are difficult to push with the lug chain design found on conventional bottom seal flow wrappers. The film is fed from below the product. Hard-to-handle products are securely carried on top of the packaging film, from the former through the cutting head. Perfectly wrapped products discharge at the other end of the conveyor. Voila! The standard features include pre-programmed and stored product setup, stainless steel frame construction, user-friendly color touchscreen HMI, auto open-close rotary fin wheel assembly, and rotary jaws with jam detecting logic. The sleek inverted flow pack machine uses 5 servo motors that create quick and easy changeover and adjustment, reduces product and film waste during production, and offers low maintenance costs. Tell us about your current project needs at info@paxiom.com or call to schedule a visit to one of our experience centers in Las Vegas, Milwaukee, or Toronto for a product demonstration today.